morning, Snapchatters. Good morning. Good morning from me, Jesse and Maggie. We're up and watching CBS Sunday Morning. But why am I on Snap? Because I wanted to talk about something that Nadine just said. Nadine really just put this snap up 3 minutes ago, and I already want to discuss it. Today is my baby girl Nadine's birthday. Happy birthday, Nadine! And she just said something that I agree with and wanted to share. Her husband gave her a gift early this morning, and she said she really liked the gift, but the most important part of the gift was the card. And she was saying that cards are more important to her than the gift. And let me tell you something. I feel the same way. Why am I like that? It started with my mother. Because growing up, you would get your mom cards. And I just remember this one story. One time I gave my mom a card, and she said, "Who picked this card out? You don't just pick up any card. You find a card specific to me." And ever since then, that's always been my mentality. You pick me out a card that's so fucking specific, I think you wrote it. I really feel like cards are just as important. And one true story, I almost broke up with my ex-boyfriend over a card because he didn't get me a card. And I was like, I told you cards are important. Get fucked up. I know these ragamuffins have to pee and poop, but look at this ugly day we're greeted with. It's waning. We can't go in the rain. Well, we know Maggie won't come out, but Jesse, let's see if you'll pee right here in this little spot. You want to come right here and pee? See, we can pee right here. See, good job, Jesse. You so smart. Maggie's still on the seat. So smart. Clearly, Jesse doesn't care about getting wet. She wants to get this poop out. I won't make y'all watch, but Jesse's pooping. Maggie's still in there looking at her. Okay, let's try project number 2. Let's see if Maggie will come poop where Jesse did. Come poop right here. Jesse went right here. Come on. She refused. Well, Jesse got her poop out. You can just hold yours for the rest of the day. I just told Nadine this story and realized I should tell y'all too about the cards. I remember the most thoughtful card I ever got. Care to hear a story? I was in high school. It was my high school sweetheart. And it was Valentine's Day, and he had a cold, and I had a cold, right? So when he gave me the card said, "You may think it's funny to kiss your honey when your nose is runny, but it's not." And then he wrote at the bottom, "Even though you make me sick, LOL, I still love you." And I still remember that card because that was the most thoughtful card I ever got. Cards are important. All right, snappers, all right. My mama would be proud. I've been playing me some Anita Baker, and I have bleached, disinfected, mopped, vacuumed my entire house. And here's a fun fact about Ruthie. I only light my candles if I've cleaned my house. So I just feel like you don't light no candles unless your house is clean. But my house is clean. We clean. The bathroom clean. The bedroom clean. We clean. And the only other thing I have to do to finish this Sunday cleaning is to wash my clothes. I don't want to go wash my clothes. I do not want to wash my clothes. Snaps are back to back. The time's passed. I'll wash them clothes tomorrow. Let's get on this couch and do what we do. If anyone was concerned, Maggie still hasn't used the bathroom. I'm about to leave. We're going to see if she'll go. Come on, Maggie. Let's see if she'll go. It's still raining, but there's a clear spot she can pee.
Hello, baby. Maggie, Jesse, come here. Come over here. You can come right here and pee time. Come on. Good job, Maggie. You can pee. You want to grab this spot? You want to grab this spot?
Good job, Maggie. Good job. See, your mommy knows. Your mommy knows you had to pee. But snappers... Oh, my snappers. I was on the couch and I'm hungry as fuck. And I ain't cooking. So let's go spend that gift card I got from my job. I just realized I had on the wrong glasses. I have some at the house glasses. These are my go out and see people glasses. All right, let's go eat. I'm actually excited to go eat because this is yet again another adventure with Yelp. I just put in find the best place to eat and this place was number 5. So we're in for an adventure. Let's go. I had to stop. Look at this.
I go out to all of my fans.
I got 1, 2, I got 3, I got 4, I got 5, I got 6, and 1 baby. We gonna have a lot of fun today, I swear. I swear. Okay, it's that time.
Snappers, oh my snappers, shout out to Negril Village. Now let me start by saying I've always known about Negril Village. I could just never afford it. It's worth every dollar. It's worth every dollar. Like, I've already left, and I want to go back. It was delicious. But now that that's out of the way, we're currently in Publix because I want something sweet. I'm fantastic. How are you? I'm fine. I want something sweet. So, I don't know if I should get a mini key lime pie or a cake. Hey, my snapper babies, my phone died in the car. But, how y'all doing? One thing I wanted to talk about really quick. So, I went to Negril Village with a friend of mine. And we were driving home. And we were talking about the bill. Because remember I said I always knew about it. It was just too cheap for me. Our bill was $62 or something. And I was sitting there thinking, I was like, if I was a dude who took a girl on a date to Negril Village, and let's say the girl was thirsty and ordered 2 drinks. I only ordered 1. And the bill was like $75, and you had to pay to park. A dude would have spent like $80 to $100. And I just feel like you owe that man some pussy. You owe him something. You owe him some head during the drive home. You owe that nigga something. I just imagine taking a girl out and she'd be like, thank you so much for brunch. It was fun. Bye. I'd be like, buy what? Buy on this dick. That cracked me up. But let me go take these hoes for a walk. You bitches ready to go? It's good.